I wouldn't say you don't need big equipment to create nice images, but you have to use what you have at the moment to create amazing images. What's up guys, this is your man GK once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create stunning images with minimum equipment. Alright guys, so before we continue, I'm about to explain my minimum setup for today. Yeah, so with the backdrop, I'm using a pink paper backdrop and it's a half size to be precise. So if you've been watching my previous videos and you don't have a full backdrop, you should not be offended. You can still create stunning images with a half size paper backdrop. Yeah, and then for my lighting setup, I have the Godo's TT600. Yes, as my side light inside a 7-inch cone, reflective cone. And then on my right, I have the 105 centimeter beauty dish softbox. Yes, and inside is the Godox VA60 Mark II speed light. Yes, so this is pretty much our setup for today. Yes, so stay tuned to see how everything goes. Okay guys, so we are back again and I'm about to explain my camera settings to you. Today I'm shooting on shutter speed of 160, aperture of 2.8, and then ISO of 100. Yes. So like we normally do, we are going to start off with how each light works or affects our subject. When I say subject, I mean our model. Yes. Alright, so this one we are not going to do any serious pose. We are just testing out the light. So I'm going to turn off the key light, which is the Godox VA60 Mark II, and then leave the TT600. So let's see how it works. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is how the backlight affects the image. I will put in the images up on the screen so you can have a clearer view. So I'm taking another test shot of the backlight again. Yeah, this is how it still affects it. So now I'm going to turn off the backlight and then turn on the key light. Yeah, and then let's see how the key light also affects the image. Good. So you see how each light affects the image separately. Yeah, so I'll take another one before we combine the two. Good. This is very, very nice. Yeah. So now let's combine the two and let's see how they come together to create a nice image. Alright. So Ruby, let's do our thing. Okay. Yeah, I love this. Can you move a little to this side? Yeah, good. Okay. Okay. This is what I got. Yes. So you see, we are getting nice images. So I wouldn't say you don't need big equipment to create nice images, but you have to use what you have at the moment to create amazing images. Yeah. So stick with us. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Okay, let me go back a little. This is good. Wow, I love this. Give me one more of that. Yeah. Can you do the same thing but do face off? Perfect. These are nice. Wow. So while shooting, if you feel like the light is too much, you can still reduce it. Yes, and that's the purpose of the trigger. Yeah. So with this, I feel like the light is a little too harsh. You can still work your way around it, but I still want to reduce it a little. Yes. And also make it a habit of showing the images to your model. Yeah. I nearly left that out. Yeah. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. Good. So now I've reduced the light power, and then let's create more. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. So where there's the lighting is very, very cool. Yeah. This is nice. Can you give me that tiptoe so that you like this crossing and then tiptoe so that your hips. But while doing it, you can look here. So try crossing the other leg. Let me see. Can you do it this? Like let it be in front. So you're going to just tiptoe your right leg, and yeah, your left leg. Good. So this one should go up a little. Perfect. I love this. So I'm trying to get a full body shot here. Yes. Still on the minimal setup. This is nice. Yeah, I love it. Now don't change it. I want to do a half shot. Yeah, look into the lens. Good. This is nice. Wow. Okay. You can do some kind of headshot double. Yeah. You can play around with your arms. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So you see, one disadvantage of shooting on the half size paper backdrop is when you widen up your arms, your subject is going to leave the frame, and fixing that in Photoshop is going to look very skeptical. Yeah, so I know right now Photoshop has generative fill and all that, but to be on the safer side, just do all your homework whilst on set. Yes, don't go and do it in post-production. Yeah, so with this, we are not going to throw arms a lot like we did in the other video. Yeah, so we'll be creating few of this, and then I'll let her sit, and then we get some sitting poses as well. Okay, let's create some few headshots, and then you can let it sleep on your like inside.
With this one?
Yeah, try something like this. Good. Yeah, this works. Good. Perfect. Good. Alright, now let me bring in the chair. Hey, I'm sweating. So it should be this way. Good. Then don't sit on the edge. Don't move your back too much inside. Yeah, good. Let's see if this works. Alright. So then I have to adjust. You see, when the setting changes, you have to also move your light around a little. Yes. So can you hold the camera for me? And then I'm going to lower down the backlight a little. Yes. Good. With the key light, I'm going to lift it that way because it's coming down here this way. So let's see. Let me try and shoot from above and see. Okay. Let me try and get a shot like this. Okay. Okay. Getting some nice images. You can smell. Alright, can you draw your legs inside a little, and then just take one leg out a little? Yeah. Okay. Can you lean forward? I want you to lean forward. Lean forward and try. I'm with you. Good. So you know something? Because the backdrop is not big, let's shift the chair a little back so that. Yeah, do it again. Good. Yeah, perfect. So this arm can be on the tag. Yeah, good. Perfect. Good. Look into the lens. Okay. Yes. So that is pretty much all. Let me see if I can get some top angle so that we close for this. Yeah. Yeah. This is nice. Give me more of it. Straighten my hair here. Over here. Good. So when you see a mistake through your viewfinder, you can correct it before. Yeah. Do a face off. The same pose, but do a face off. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yes. So this is how I'm going to end today's video. We had nice images. Yes. So this is how you can create stunning images with minimal setup. Yeah. So don't let anything be your limit. Yes, you can keep creating. Yeah. So thanks for watching to the end, and I'll catch you in another educative video like we did today. Peace out.